How to get new stickers on Instagram. If you want to get latest updated stickers on your Instagram, then follow these steps. If you open your Instagram and log into your account, you will see an interface like this. Here, tap on your profile at the top left corner. At the bottom, make sure that you are in the story section. Now take a photo or upload it from your gallery. After that, at the top right corner, you will see different kind of icons. Select this sticker icon. Now here, if you scroll down, then you should see different kind of stickers. If you'd like to get trendy and latest stickers, you will need to update your app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the Instagram app. Make sure that your app is updated. If there are any updates available, then click on the update option to update your app. If there are no updates available, then open the app. Now you should see all the latest stickers right here. If you cannot find the sticker that you are looking for, you can even search it in the search bar. For example, let's say that I'm looking for a pin sticker. I'm simply just gonna type in pin, and as you can see, all the stickers related to pin are displayed. If I typed in coffee, then all the coffee sticker will display. I can simply tap on the one that I like and put it on my video or photo. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.